Hello everyone! Today we're gonna make Turkish crochet necklace with heavier twist. If you are not familiar with normal Turkish crochet, please refer to the other video. I will write the link at the description below. First, we will string all the beads. Now I'm using bigger size beads so that you can see better in this video. But of course, for your necklace, please use the size 80, 60, 2.8mm drops and 4mm cubes. And put the beads in this sequence. 80, 60, 2.8, 4mm cubes and again 2.8, and at the end again another color 80 seed beads. Crocheting. Put all the beads and the yarn on your left side. Make a slip knot. So bring first group of the beads. One group consists of 7 beads, and these 7 beads are again separated into 2 different sets. The first set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different beads, and we will make a hoop with these 5 beads, and then bring the 2 beads and make another loop. So there are now 2 small loops like this. Now bring again the new groups of beads. First 5 set of beads next to the older set of beads, which is now forming a loop, and insert your needle into the loop. And now this is very important that the needle is between the 80 beads and 2.8mm drop beads. And then bring the yarn from outside toward you, and then crochet again so that it is now fixed. There you have a new loop with new 5 beads. Set of 2 beads and insert the needle into this small loop, which is only these 2 beads, and same beads should be next to each other. Here 2 brown beads are next to each other, and crochet once and once again to make it tight. Insert your needle into the loop and spread those 5 beads in the loop, and bring the new ones, and now you crochet through the loop, and once again to fix it. Again, insert the needle into the smaller loop, spread those 2 beads, and then crochet. until the piece reaches your desired length. When it reaches the desired length, then at the very last row, you will crochet without any beads, just a loop and crochet. By the way, this is the color which I used for the real necklace. At the very end, I will just use the needle again and stitch into the piece again. But don't go through the beads itself, but only for the crocheted part. Time to time, I will make a knot, and then at the very end, cut the thread. This time I will use end caps, and I will glue the necklace and the end cap. Before I glue them, first I will fix the adjuster and closure on the end cap itself. Follow the direction of the glue. In my case, I leave the piece after gluing at least one night or maybe 24 hours before I start using them. So that was all. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.